darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? We are back with what? Another episode, weekly episode of celebrities on the red carpet. What are they wearing? Let us jump right into it, and we're going to start with the fabulous Halle Berry. Halle Berry, my darling, I live for her. And she always looks fabulous, and she was wearing this wonderful LADYZ dress. Her hair has grown and she's got like the blonde tips. It's completely backless, gorgeous. I love the sleeves. I don't know. I felt as if it was a little too aging, that, you know, wait until, like, I don't know, wait till you're 65, you know, and wear it. I don't know what it is that I didn't like about it, but I just didn't care for it that much. Halle Berry to me will always be that babe that looks fantastic in that pixie haircut. I think that she's the most beautiful, but that's not fair to put her in that cage where she can't wear any other hairstyle but that. She's got a sensational figure. She's got the most prettiest face. But I just didn't care for it that much. I really tried, but it wasn't giving me life. It just was not. Anyway, moving along. I don't know who is dressing Fantasia, but my God, welcome and hello. Or maybe I didn't pay attention to Fantasia. I don't know. Fantasia is looking flawless in a Dolce & Gabbana dress. No, in a Dolce & Gabbana ensemble. The legs, the face, she's coming into her own. And I celebrate you, Fantasia. You deserve it all. The gloves looking flawless. I live for it. You're walking down the street like a queen. No, this was fabulous. Whoever her stylist is doing a sensational job. Why? Because without a beat, I saw her in all red. I have to come. No. I made it a point. I saw her in red, head to toe, looking fly. And here she was wearing what? Let me see. Biblos. The boots, the leggings, the jacket. When I tell you, I don't know what the budget is for this color purple, but well deserved, and is going in the right places. There was yet another outfit that she wore. It was polka dot. Yes, on the red carpet for the world premiere. And here she was wearing Sergio Hudson, looking flawless. I have never seen polka dot look that good. And you know what I liked about this? It was the black with the white dots, as opposed to a white base with the black dots. This was life. This was everything. Rita Ora walked the red carpet, a fabulous Primark dress, which I bought to the Fashion Awards. I lived for it. And I'm so happy that she's designed 260 plus pieces with Primark, and that dress was one of them. I bought the dress. What I didn't care for was the reptile in the back, but I get it. I understand you needed to do a little something, but you know what? Hey, the dress was outstanding. Again, Fantasia, I'm telling you, this has been a beast of a beast collection. She's wearing, let me just double check this. She is wearing white, and I want to get this dress. It's called LADYZ Tubala Official, and this dress is a dream. The caging of the dress just looks like a shell, and then you've got the lace underneath. Beautiful. Fantasia is my new go-to. Jean-Paul Gaultier is coming out with some pieces where we have whom? None other than the Nene Leaks. We have Sexy Red, and then we have Leslie Baptiste and Sexy Red wearing Jean-Paul Gaultier. I'll tell you here and now, I live for the pants. I don't care for the top, but it's kind of sort of trending, and I hate when it does that because I really like them and I really want to get them. So I'm going to think about it. I'm going to think, Fumi, do you really want to get it? I don't know. I do not know. We have Oprah Winfrey looking right here and now, without looking at the designer, in Oscar de la Renta, reminding me of Prince. I don't know why. I do know why. The hair. You know, I told you the last time that she should cut the hair. I think it's time that she cuts the hair. But she wore this crystal jacket and it gave me life. I loved it. I did love it. Maybe the jacket was something else, but I loved that periwinkle, purpley blue mauve underneath. It was gorgeous. Gorgeous. You see the coat separate. I would have loved for the coat separate, but still, it was fabulous. Talking about color purple, we have Taraji P. Henson in Max Mara. Loved it. Loved it. Very seasonal. I love that blush pink. I love the softness of it. It's giving me life. Taraji also wore a suit. It was a black diamante suit, quiet as it's kept, because that's how it came off. And she was in and out of hallways. I said, yes, mama, deal with us. I do not mind. You go right ahead and do your thing. I love the three-piece. I loved how it was on her. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Moving right along, newly single, we have Cardi B. And Cardi B was wearing some outfit that, again, I just thought Selena. Selena's. Yes. Anything for Selena's. It didn't give me life. I don't know what this was all about. It was from Loca, and you know, it just was not giving me anything to say. I love the beauty, but it was very costumey. That's what I want to say. Moving along to Nicki Minaj. She didn't do better anyway. She just looked like some kind of foil sweet. What was this? I mean, and then she had that very solemn face, which did not help either. She just looked like a sweet from Quality Street. You know, the one that is the chewy toffees. That's what she looked like. It was in terrible bad taste. I did not care for the shoes either, and the Louis Vuitton bag was gorgeous, but it was a different shade of gold. It just was not giving. She looked like she's homeless, and she stole this from a bin that was outside Sex and the City, and she took these clothes, but the clothes don't belong to her. That is how this looked. We have Fanatasia again, and she's wearing newly Golden Globe nominee actress, looking fabulous in Michael Kors, celebrating the announcement. Fanatasia, I want to be you. I'm not gonna lie. Kill it, and I hope you win. Naomi Campbell in a cage, a little beautiful bird in a cage, and she was wearing who? Tamara Ralph. Naomi can do no wrong. She loves black. Black is one of her favorite colors, and she's looking wonderful with that side sweep. Naomi, let me tell you, I live and I love the wigs, but come to a Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN, and she will give you back your edges. All those edges that you worked and lost while you were modeling for 40 plus years. Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN will bring them back. You look wonderful. There's nothing to be said. You look absolutely beautiful, mama. I love our cheekbones. You look gorgeous. I like the cage in front because it's not overpowering. She's a swan. Naomi is a swan. She's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Tracy Ellis Ross in Louis V. Spring Summer 2024. It just looked big. It looked big. Beautiful smile. The lipstick is gorgeous. I love the jeans. It's a little bit biggy, so it's swooping to the side. But the sweater was just too big. There's no shape whatsoever, apart from the big, really oversized buttons. If it was open so that we can see you underneath. I see where you were going with it, mama. I see where you were going with it, but it's wearing you. I don't see you at all in this outfit. None whatsoever. We have the beautiful Viola Davis wearing Prada. It looks as if she just grabbed something from her daughter's closet and ran to the red carpet. Is she wearing flats? I didn't care for it. And then you know what? It's pulling tight at the bust line. So now it looks untidy. Like the naughty schoolgirl who has been sent to the principal's office to report herself. Did they used to do that to you? They did that to me. go and report yourself for me. And I would go. I really would go. Then I would go off and I'll go and get a nice lunch or something fabulous. It's not her best look. I'm not really crazy about it. Prada or not, this did not do anything. It's just giving me, it's really just giving me that she grabbed it. It's not her size. It used to be her size. She's put on weight kind of thing and she just thought, let me go. It's not fabulous. Not living for it at all. Aha! Coming with a vengeance. Jodie Turner-Smith. I love the hair. I love the lip. What is she wearing? She's wearing Kong Tree and she looks like she has gotten just out of the car and she's standing outside Lupita Nyong'o's house. That's how she looks. She looks like, bitch, try me. That's what she looks like. I live for it. I love it. She's toned. She's fit. And she's looking quite fabulous indeed. Wait, hold on. One more. Oh my God. Lupita Nyong'o is actually on the red carpet wearing Dolce & Gabbana and she's looking nervous. She's got her assistant. Is she still outside? Is she still outside? That's how she looks. Is she still outside? Tell me when she goes. Okay, so what do I think about this? This is a very drab Dolce & Gabbana. It looks unironed. The girl is stressed. Do you blame her? No, I do not. Not my favorite look. Not my favorite look at all, as a matter of fact. And yeah, that's all I've got to say about that. Just really not my favorite look. Then we have, again, Cardi B. Cardi B is stepping out in Mason Margiela and she's giving us fashion. The hair is cut, is cropped. She's got the Birkin. She's got things back and front. She's got oversized boots and I like it. She's on a mission. She's saying to herself, I ain't taking Offset back. I'm not. And that is it, my darlings. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. And I will see you what? I will see you sooner than later. All of my love.